How to merge two documents in Google Docs. So if you have two documents like you see here that you want to go in merge into one document, I'm going to show you how to do this in a couple of easy steps. So first thing you need to do is just head over to your Google Drive, click on the settings bar in the top right hand side and press settings. Now over in the left hand side select manage apps and click on connect more apps. You'll then need to click on the search box, type in the word merge and press search. Now go and click on this app here which is Merge Google Documents. Click on the blue install button and then press continue. You'll need to scroll down the page and select continue. Make sure to check select all and then press continue once again. Now once you've done this you'll see this window, go and press OK. You'll then need to close out of these windows and go and head back over to your Google Drive. Now click on the three vertical dots next to the first file that you want to merge and press open with and then select merge Google Documents. You can then scroll down and click on select from Google Drive and then go and select the first document you want to merge and press select. Now click on select from Google Drive once again and then go and select the second document you want to merge together. Once both of your documents have been selected like this, you can then scroll down and click on merge documents. Now after a few seconds you can see this merged document is now saved in our Google Drive. You can go and click on view and you'll be able to view this merged document.